All right.
So starting from 0, fresh screen.
Just turn the machine on, starting from 0. I'm going to give it a little bit of gain. And I'm going to set my velocity at 1250 for aluminum. And the range is going to be 9.843. And we want to make sure our first back wall echo and our second one is at
1 and 4.
Give it a little bit more gain. So
Just the 0.
just the 0 to 1 and 4.
Pretty good.
There it is.
Okay.
Now we're going to drop our range down to 1.969.
Mm-hmm.
And our first back wall is at
5.
5,
It's pretty good.
right at 5. I'm going to set up the gate at 30, in between 2 and 4 on the timeline.
Very good.
We'll pick up our hole,
Yep.
adjust it to 80% full screen height, and then we're going to add 6 dB to that, which will give us 40.6.
Now we can search for the crack.
And there's the crack.
Yep. Perfect. And that is 533154 actuator fitting.